Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to avoid overspending with Lazypay. Lazypay offers a convenient way to defer payment, but it's easy to lose track of spending. So how do you stay within your budget? 1. You must know your credit limits. 2. Track your spending regularly. 3. Set personal spending limits. 4. Understand the billing cycle. 5. Prioritize timely repayments. 6. Budget for repayment. 7. Avoid impulse purchases. 8. Consolidate and pay. Lazypay often consolidates multiple transactions into one bill. Review this consolidated statement carefully and settle it. Like pay. The next is utilize reminders. Limit linked accounts. If you have multiple accounts linked, be mindful of the cumulative spending across all of them. Hope you found this video helpful.